Hello students, welcome to the second part of conjunctions. Look at the board here. Here are some connectors as well as besides, in addition to, with, along with, together with, including and excluding, etc. These connectors, when they are used with two subjects, verb used is according to the first subject. When these connectors join two subjects, verb used will be according to the first subject. For example, I have written here, he as well as his parents was were standing at the door. Now students see, he is the first subject and parents is the second subject. And we need the verb according to the first one. First one is singular, so we will use this one, singular verb. Now let us come to the second one. Second rule, principal clause and subordinate clause. Say here, when your first principal clause is in present indefinite, subordinate clause will go in future indefinite. When principal clause is in future indefinite, subordinate clause will go in present indefinite. But in any case, both the clauses will never can be written in future indefinite. Both the clauses can be never written in future indefinite. Third rule, sentences beginning with it, when and if. Sentences beginning with when and if, they never take then. Comma should be used in place of then. Comma will be used in place of then. Take for example this sentence, if my father will come from Delhi, then he will bring a book for me. See here students, if my father will come, now we will put this cross. If my father, we will make present principal clause in present indefinite. Principal clause will be changed into present indefinite and it will become, if my father comes from Delhi. Again give a clause to them, comma should be used. Correction will be, if my father comes from Delhi, comma, he will bring a book for me. Principal clause is in present indefinite and future clause, subordinate clause in future indefinite. Now let us come to the fourth rule. Although and though never take but. Yet will be used in place of but, or comma is sufficient. H.W. Fowler says that comma is better than the use of yet. We can write, although he is rich, but he is miser. It is wrong to say. It is wrong to write. Although he is rich, but he is miser. It is a wrong sentence. Correction will be, although he is rich, yet he is miser, or although he is rich, comma, he is miser. Now students, the rest part of conjunctions I will tell you in the third part of this video. Till then, thank you.